How to fix TikTok Shop not showing. So first open the TikTok app on your mobile device, then click on your profile, and then please click on the three dashboard on the top right corner. After you click on the dashboard, please click on settings and privacy. Scroll down till you find report a problem. Now scroll down again and tap on the submit a report. After that, tell us a feedback will appear on your screen. Now, all you have to do is write a report to TikTok and tap on submit, then wait for their response. They will fix your problem within few days. And I'm writing, my TikTok shop is not working. Please fix this problem. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and may your TikTok shopping experience be smooth sailing from here on out. Please like and subscribe our channel if you like the video. Thank you.